Now, uh, again I have taken a question from S.C. Verma, question number 33. So, what is the specialty about this problem? See here, resistance is joined in parallel with a conductor, clear? And you need to find the current through the three resistors. So, when a resistance is connected in parallel with a conductor, be sure that no current will pass through the resistance. Entire current will pass through the conductor. So, this problem can be solved verbally. Now, this is a conductor. Your 4 ohm resistance is joined in series with 6 ohm resistance, and this 4 ohm resistance which is joined in parallel with this conductor can be ignored. So, this 4 ohm resistance is completely ignored now. We can ignore this. Now, so the net resistance of this circuit is 10 ohm. Simply, net resistance of this circuit is 10 ohm, and EMF. So, two cells are joined, negative is joined with negative and positive is joined with positive. In this case, what we do, we subtract the EMFs, a simple thing which we are doing from our class 10th standard. So, your net voltage supply or net EMF supplied by these two cells will be 2 volt, 4 volt minus 2 volt, 4 volt minus 2 volt, that is 2 volt. So, your net EMF is 2 volt and net resistance is 10 ohm. So, current will be voltage by resistance. So, your voltage is that is EMF, that is 2 volt divided by 10, that is 2 divided by 10, that is 0.2 ampere. 2 divided by 10, V divided by I, that is current is V divided by I, that is V is 2, how 2? 4 minus 2, 2, and resistance, this 4 ohm and 6 ohm are joined in series. So, it is going to be 10 ohm, this 4 ohm is neglected. So, 2 divided by 10, that is 0.2 ampere, that will pass through this 4 ohm resistance 0.2 ampere, and from this conductor 0.2 ampere, and from this 6 ohm resistance also 0.2 ampere. So, that is, this is question number 33, and no current passes through 4 ohm resistance, this 4 ohm resistance. So, let us see the answer, question number 33. So, your question number 33, where it is, question number 33, let us see what is written here. So, question number 33, 0 in the upper 4 ohm resistance as I told you earlier, and 0.2 ampere in the rest of the two resistors, with, that is 0.2 ampere. So, this is a very important problem and which we solved orally, we need not require any rough work. Okay. So, again I am going for this kind of problem where conductors are joined in parallel. Here why you have chosen this problem, here we got that a conductor is joined in parallel with a resistance. So, we must remember that whenever a conductor is joined in parallel with a resistance, the resistance which is in parallel with the conductor is insignificant. We can remove that, no current passes through the resistance which is joined in parallel with a conductor. So, again in next video I will choose such kind of problem where conductor is joined in parallel. Okay.